Okay, welcome back. Today we're going to talk a little bit about understanding the 30% solar tax credit that's provided by the federal government. Now you can get to this page right here in our navigation under services, residential solar, right here. And as you can see, we have a lot of other helpful information that you can learn about. All right, we've been doing solar for a long time, and probably the top two things that confuse homeowners the most is understanding the solar tax credit, which recently been raised to 30% and is good till 2032. Understanding how that works and understanding what they can use it for. The other issue is people don't fully understand how they reduce their electricity bills forever. We'll talk about that issue in another webinar. Today, understand that the federal government allows a 30% solar tax credit on your tax return. Many times, that results in a substantial refund. Okay. Now, I'm going to tell you the difference between a tax credit and a tax deduction so that you understand a credit is so much more valuable. Okay. All right. But in short, I'll just pick out a number. If your solar panels cost $30,000, you get a 30% tax credit on your tax return. That would be $9,000. Okay. Right. Understand tax deduction reduces taxable income. Tax credit reduces your tax due. And in many cases, that always results in additional refund. And I'm going to go through an analogy in one moment. All right. But let's talk about how you can use the tax credit. Let's assume that it's increasing your refund by $9,000 in this example. It's basically free cash flow. Many people, they'll put that in their savings account, put that money into an investment account. Most people pretty much use it for another job. So, in other words, when you're on Facebook, or maybe somebody came to your home from a solar company and say, hey, listen, you're getting a free roof. Well, it's really not free. You put solar panels on, the, and then when the government gives you that tax credit, it frees up money to do the new roof or to do new siding or a kitchen, a basement renovation, or whatever it is you're looking to do. That's what that really means. It's not free. The roof company isn't going to pay for your roof as they lead you to believe. Now, a lot of times, what people do is they'll just take out an additional loan on top of the solar loan to pay for that roof and then keep the tax credit as part of the refund. Some people also will pay down debt. Once they get the tax credit and it shows up as an additional refund, well, they'll pay off some credit cards or a car loan or something like that. Your money. Do what you want. All right, quick overview of a tax deduction versus a tax credit. Pay attention to this column here. Okay. This is just an example. Let's assume your taxable income was 100,000. In other words, you're working for somebody, you made 100,000. On that 100,000, you're obviously having federal income tax withdrawn from your paycheck each week. Now, let's assume you paid $30,000 in mortgage interest and real estate taxes. That's an eligible tax deduction against your income. So that will reduce your income to $70,000. Okay. So the deduction is the 30,000. Your taxable income now is 70,000. And let's assume you're in a 30% tax bracket. 30% times 70,000 means you have $21,000 tax due. Now, let's assume that your employer took out 24,000 in federal taxes over the course of the year. That means you got a refund of 3,000. Okay. Now, if you invested into a solar panel project, and again, I'm going to use my previous example that it was $30,000 loan you took out, that gives you a $9,000 tax credit. Okay, 30% times 9,000. Excuse me, times 30,000. So that additional tax credit will be added to that 3,000 refund. So now you got a $12,000 refund. You have to check with your account. But look at it this way. If in this year everything is pretty much the same as last taxable year and you got a refund last year, well, safe to say you're going to get a refund this year plus the tax credit on top of that. Okay? I hope that explains everything. Hope that clears it up. There's additional videos here. Okay? I tell you, do yourself a favor, watch this one. This is a really overlooked rebate that homeowners don't know they're eligible for when they do solar panels. Average homeowner gets about $9,000 put into their bank account over the course of 15 years. And that's above and beyond the electricity bills that you save. Okay, watch this video here. Okay, we talk about how your electricity bill will go on an average. Our average homeowner has about $145 on an electricity bill, goes to $9 forever. So as your neighbors are incurring constant increase from the utility company for electric over the years, and it's projected that in 10 years, $145 that you're paying today, well, PSA&G is going to be charging you 10 years upwards of $350. If you have solar panels, guess what? You're still paying 9. Huge difference. All right, so you seriously got to give this a lot of thought. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to book a free, no obligation solar analysis, go right up here and click this button. All right, guys, have a great day.